Alright, gang, it's your boy Nature, aka Nature, gang. Alright, gang, so we're back for another video. Gang. Alright, gang, so let's just break down, what happened again and what I think is going to happen today. So cool, let's break this move down. You see, so price makes this information, so you can see price makes our double top pattern. First top, second top, goes up, make the first top February 20th, 2022 at 9:08, makes the first top, goes down to zero, February 21, 2022 at 1887, and then heads all the way back up to the second top at February 21, 2022 at 1915. Creating a second top. First top, second top, and then price heads back down all the way to zero. Not all the way to 27 extension, but all the way to zero at 1893. It actually goes to 1891, creating the second top. Creating this information. And this is our double top pattern. I showed you it already. First top is at February 20th at 1908, and then the second top is at 1914, February 21, creating this information, all the way back to zero, 1891, February 22, 2022. So this is our double top pattern that you will see, after a extended uptrend, as price was in an uptrend, and you'll see this double top pattern, and this is what we see. We see this double top pattern, and this lets us know that price is heading back, heading back down. It does exactly that. And you see, price does exactly that, gain. First top goes up, creates the first top, goes back down, goes back to zero, creates the second top, and then goes back down to zero. Creating the second, the second top. Creating this information, and boom, we're out to trade. Put our stop loss into profit, and we take profit. Boom. Creating this double top pattern. So after extended uptrend, you'll see this double top pattern. First top heads back down, second top, boom, right to zero. We took profit, boom, we got out the trade, made a couple hundred, a couple thousand, depending on your lot size, how much money you have in your account. Extremely important for your psychology. Extremely important for your psychology. So I just want to go over that again. All right, gang. So gang, back to the charts, you see this double top pattern. It formed, we formed this double top pattern, and right to 1891, February 22, and we put our stop loss into profit, boom, and we took all profit. All of this was our profit from Great Trade One from 1911, February 22, 2022, all the way down to February 22, 2022, 1891. Price starts to head back up. We see this hammer pattern, and price heads back up. Boom, hits our stop loss at 1892, and we took profit. Hopefully, you was able to make a couple grand, a couple hundred at least, and you're out to trade, and then price reverses back up. Obviously price reverses back up, but creates this double top pattern, and you want to go over that one more time. Once price stops at zero, it doesn't go to 27 extension. We didn't get enough, pressure from sellers to go all the way down to 27 extension. Again, we would have needed sellers. We needed sellers to show us another candlestick at zero to 27 extension. This would have let us know that we're going to take profit 8, and we have our Fibonacci. Price would have went right to take profit 8, right to 27 extension. Boom. We back up a little bit. Price would have went right to take profit 8, 27 extension. Boom. If we would have seen another black candlestick from 0 to 27 extension, boom, and then we would have seen price go back. We would have seen price go to 28. Take profit 8, 27 extension, 1875. We didn't see that. So we didn't see this Fibonacci happen. We didn't see this move happen. Price stopped at 1891. You know, did not go all the way down to 27 extension at take profit 8 at 1875. It stopped at 1891. So we didn't need it. We didn't need to see more pressure from sellers to let us know that price wanted to go to 27 extension. We didn't see that. You know, boom. We didn't see that. Price as soon as price got to zero, creating this information still, creating this double top pattern. You know, once price got to zero, um, price, you know, showed us this hammer pattern. Let us know sellers try to push price to 27 extension, and then buyers came back in and pushed price back up, you know, and you know, all the way back up to take profit 10. Same thing here. Once price stopped at zero, you know, and sellers didn't have enough pressure to push price to 27 extension, you know, February 20th, 2022, it stopped at zero, created this Morningstar pattern right here. This Morningstar pattern, black candlestick, starred in yellow candlestick all the way back up to take profit 10. So same thing here. It stopped at zero on February 22, 2022 at 1891. At 1891, and then you know buyers push price back up after this hammer around 7 o'clock. You know, going into New York session all the way up until 10 o'clock to take profit 10 at 1907 from 1891 to 1907. You know, and we was out this trade. Boom! As soon as price hit our stop loss, we put our stop loss into profit from 1911 all the way down to 1891. Could have been a couple grand, a couple hundred, 20,000, 30,000. You know, in one day in a trade. You know, a couple hundred a trade. You know, depending on your lot size. So you know that's basically what happened. Boom, here our stop loss. We got out the trade. Then price shows us this hammer, and you know price heads back up. We didn't have enough strength to go to 27 extension again, and it headed back up to take profit 10. It did the same exact thing. You know, did the same exact thing February 21, 2022. Went to zero and then headed back up to 10. Went to zero February 22, 2022. Went to zero at 1893. Went a little bit lower, creating this hammer pattern, and then pushed back up to take profit 10 at 1907. Boom, we was already out the trade by then. You know, so price did that, you know, went to take profit 10 at 1907, and then you see right here it went back down to almost zero. You know, zeros at 1893. It went to 1894. Created another hammer pattern. You see another hammer pattern. Sellers try to push price back down to zero at 1894, and then buyers came back in and pushed price back up to take profit 10. So gang, you know, just wanted to break that move down. You know, take profit 10. Now, price is about to go back to take profit 10. It's at 1900 right now. This is our take profit 10 level at 1900. It starts at 1900. And, you know, we should see price going to take profit 11 now. Again, we should see price going to take profit 11. We will draw our Fibonacci, and we would draw our Fibonacci from, you could either draw it from here and all the way up to at least take profit 11 or great trade 1. Which will be at 1911, or we can draw our Fibonacci from the lowest point that price went to, which was, you know, before heading back up, was here. We can draw our Fibonacci from here. We could draw it from here. Boom, the second time price made a hammer, and we could draw it up to great trade 1, or we could draw it up to, you know, could we trade take profit to take profit. We can draw it right up to take to 1915. You know, that's take profit 11 starts at 1915. We'll just draw the great trade 1 for right now at 1911. Boom. So you can see price is in the uptrend now. We're in an uptrend. And you know, gang, you know, price is going up to take profit 10, and it should head all the way back up to 1911. You know, I just wanted to keep you updated, gang, on what price is doing. You know, sticking to our trading strategy. You know, we get in for a trade at the bottom, you know, and we ride this all the way up to the top, you know, all the way up to 1911. We get in right here at 1897 and ride this all the way up to 1911, you know, and I feel like price is going back up for the day. And you know, we just do the same thing. You know, we do the same thing. Once price shows us this pattern, this hammer pattern, price is going up to, you know, going back up, you know, and now we're going back up. Gang,